लोकसभा में मोशन ऑफ थैंक्स पर चल रही बहस के दौरान आज सदन का माहौल काफी गर्म हो गया। राहुल गांधी के भाषण पर नियम और पायर प्रक्रिया को लेकर 12 रोक-टोक देखने को मिली। राहुल गांधी ने कहा कि राष्ट्रपति के अभिभाषण पर बोलते समय उन्हें कुछ संदर्भ रखने थे, लेकिन उनकी बातों पर तुरंत नियमों का हवाला दिया गया। इसके बाद राहुल गांधी ने राष्ट्रपति के अभिभाषण को देश की सुरक्षा और ग्लोबल सियासत से जोड़ने की बात कही। आइए देखते हैं संसद के अंदर का दृश्य।
चेयरमैन, कल मैंने इस आर्टिकल पर अपना भाषण शुरू किया था। स्पीकर ने कहा था कि इसे रूल के मुताबिक किया जाए, तो अब मैं चाहता हूं कि ये जो आर्टिकल है ये ऑथेंटिकेट किया जाए। आप ऑथेंटिकेट कीजिए और मैं इस पे बात करना चाहता हूं। हाँ, मैं दे रहा हूं ना, दिया है मैंने, दे रहा हूं, ये रहा, यही मैं कर रहा हूं। तो ओके, माने
give it authenticate.
Sir, this is
please table it.
Table it, please.
Please table it.
Speaker,
We will
sir,
examine it and we'll get back to you.
Chairman, right?
And
Chairman, sir,
yeah,
I have authenticated the article.
Please continue on Honorable President's speech.
Yes. So, as I said yesterday, very important matter in the President's speech is the matter of national security and our relationship between us and the Chinese and the Pakistanis. There is a very important matter that is quoted inside this article that I have authenticated, which speaks about the reaction of the Prime Minister and...
Sir, I'm once again... No, please.
No, sir.
Once again.
Sir.
No, once again. Sir, I'm once again requesting you to please restrict yourself to the speech of the Honorable President. I'm requesting LOP to please restrict himself to the speech of the Honorable President.
Let us not mislead the House. Let us clear the confusion. Today also I had requested both Venugopal ji and Gaurav ji also. We are patiently waiting to listen to the Honorable Leader of the Opposition. The matter which was referred to just now, yesterday the Chair has given a ruling. On the paper on which he has authenticated, that is tabled in the House. But what I'm saying is, when a ruling has already been given on a matter which he referred yesterday, he can't be quoting same matter again in a pretext of making a reference indirectly. He cannot refer on the same matter. Please continue with your speech, we are waiting, but please avoid referring to a matter which has been settled.
Sir, Honorable Parliamentary Affairs Minister is trying to mislead the House. Of course, he called us, me and Gaurav Gogoi. Sir, please.
Sir, when Honorable LOP is standing...
He quoted me.
Sir, when Honorable LOP is standing...
I want to give a clarification.
When Honorable LOP is standing, you are
please
speaking.
allow me to give a clarification, sir.
No.
Please allow me. 1 minute.
No, sir, when Honorable LOP is standing, you are speaking.
1 minute.
Please permit him to speak.
Sir, 1 minute.
Please permit him to speak.
Parliamentary Affairs Minister took my name. Give a 1 minute clarification.
No, sir. Please permit him to speak. He's already started his speech, sir. He started his speech, sir. Let him speak.
Our Speaker, what was the Speaker's ruling yesterday? Don't quote the book, don't quote the magazine. This was the only ruling of the Speaker. But,
no, sir. Please listen to me. He started his speech.
So
please let him continue. He started his speech.
I need a clarification because Parliamentary Affairs Minister quoted me.
Honorable
he took my name.
Sir, what is, see, you want him to speak or not?
This is only for, this House is only for them. This is not for us. What is this? This house is only for them.
No, one second. Mr. Venugopal, kindly be seated once again. No, listen. No, please listen. What did you say just now? What did you say just now? What is this yar? What is this yar? This is Parliament. This is Lok Sabha. You can't address the chair. You cannot address the chair with yar. What is this yar? No, you cannot address the chair by saying yar. No. Please take back your words. You can't say chair yar. No. You cannot. No. Honorable LOP standing on his feet to speak. You are not allowing him to speak. माननीय राहुल गांधी जी आप बोलिएगा. No. Please allow him to speak. 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 No.
चेयरमैन साहब यार कह दिया तो क्या हो गया? कोई आफत आ गई है?
No, not correct. No. There is a quorum. Not correct. That is not true. There should be a quorum of the house. There should be respect to the chair. You should know how to behave. No, not correct. Honorable Rahul ji, please speak. Please continue to speak.
Speaker, sir, if the issue is about me quoting a magazine, which I have authenticated, I am happy not to quote it directly. No problem. But I have to be allowed to speak about it.
Yeah.
Honorable LOP,
You have,
Shri
Speaker,
Rahul
sir.
Gandhi ji,
Chairman,
please
sir.
listen.
Chairman, sir.
You have been given permission to speak on the Honorable President's speech.
I am speaking
What
on
are you telling? What permission are telling to LOP?
Speaker, sir.
And yesterday.
Sir, Speaker, sir.
and yesterday.
One second. Speaker, sir.
Permit
Sir,
him to
Speaker,
speak.
sir.
What is this?
Sir, Speaker,
Sir.
1 second.
Sir.
Speaker, sir.
Sir, yesterday, Honorable
Speaker, sir.
Speaker has
It
given
is
a
not a
ruling.
permission that I am being given, Speaker, sir.
Yeah. That's why
I am not being given a permission.
What is the permission?
I am the leader of opposition of this country.
He is the leader.
You are not giving me permission.
He is the leader.
It is my
Under
right.
Rule 349, under Rule 349, no. Honorable Speaker has given a ruling under Rule 349. Under Rule 349, Honorable Speaker has already given a ruling. And if you don't want LOP sir to speak, I'll have to give opportunity to others to speak. If you don't want LOP to speak, I will have to give opportunity to others to speak. No, please listen. I am giving opportunity. ये नहीं चलेगा. Honorable LOP will speak. He can speak. He doesn't require your support. He will speak.
1 second, please. Chairman, sir. Speaker, sir, I am...
Please, 1 second, sir. Please, sir.
Chairman, sir, I am objecting to the word permission. That is not the correct word because I am not given permission by anyone. I am leader of opposition. So I am just objecting to that.
I have called your name.
Everybody speaks with the permission of the chair.
Please.
Nobody
Because,
is
sir,
above the chair.
there was an altercation.
Everybody speaks on the permission of the chair.
Please speak, sir. 1 second. 1 second, sir. Yes, please speak.
Speaker, sir, our President's address was about the path that India has to chart, the direction in which India has to move. Today, on the world stage, the main issue in international affairs is the conflict between China and the United States. This is central. This is central. This is central to our president's address. This is central, as you have seen, to our budget. And all I am saying is I want to make a statement about what happened between China and India and how our Prime Minister reacted to it. Why am I being stopped? Sir, in Ladakh, in eastern Ladakh, there was a conflict. Our soldiers were killed.
What is this? What is this? You give ruling now. You give ruling now. You give ruling now.
I have requested, I requested Honorable LOP to, I requested Honorable LOP to speak. Repeatedly I made a request to speak on the speech of the Honorable President. Now,
आज की बहस नीति से ज्यादा नियम और संसदीय परंपराओं पर केंद्रित रही। मोशन ऑफ थैंक्स के दौरान लोकसभा में पॉलिटिकल टेंशन साफ नजर आया।